You might be wondering, can we use Python code to take control of our mouse and keyboard to automate our AutoCAD drawings? Well, that's exactly what I'm about to show you. Let's first understand the difference between two Python libraries, pyautocad and pyautogui, which is the focus of this video. PyAutoCAD is a Python library that's designed to help automate tasks in AutoCAD. It provides an easy-to-use interface for accessing AutoCAD's functionality and manipulating AutoCAD objects. On the other hand, pyautogui is a Python library that allows your code to control your mouse and keyboard. This means you can use it to automate almost any task in any application on your computer, not just in AutoCAD. Put it simply, it can perform actions as if a human was using the mouse and the keyboard. Let's review the code I used at the start of this video. The import statement in Python is used to include external libraries or modules into your code. A module in Python is simply a file containing Python definitions, functions, and statements. Putting codes into modules is useful because it allows you to organize and reuse codes. Imagine Python program as a kitchen. It is like bringing in a kitchen appliance or a tool that isn't part of the kitchen by default. For example, if you are asked to make a smoothie, you need a blender. In Python, if you need to control the mouse and keyboard, you import a tool called pyautogui. Similarly, if you are asked to wait for a cake to bake for 30 minutes, you need a timer. In Python, if you want your program to pause for a few seconds, you import a tool called time. Time.sleep 3 between brackets, this line makes the program wait for 3 seconds. I used it to delay code execution until I get into the AutoCAD model space. Distance equal 300, this line initialized a variable distance to a 300 value. This variable would represent the size of each side of the spiral square. Type right pline. In AutoCAD model space, this will type the pline command used to create a polyline. Press enter. Very obvious. In AutoCAD, it's used to submit the pline command typed in the previous line. While distance is greater than 0, this line starts a while loop that continues until the distance variable becomes 0. Left click. This is literally a left click of the mouse. In AutoCAD, this action would begin drawing the polyline from where the mouse cursor is currently positioned. Drag rel, distance 0, it drags the mouse by distance value in pixels to the right from the current position. Left click, it's another left click of the mouse. This action would place a vertex for the polyline in AutoCAD. Next couple of lines is a repeat, but for the vertical line downward, then the next for the horizontal line to the left, then the next for the vertical line upward. The while loop then repeats as long as distance is greater than 0, drawing smaller squares to create the spiral effect. But how to know what library or what function to call? I have often used ChatGPT as a guide for Python commands in this library. Once it's in your mind, you will find your way. I will leave you my way in the description. For more details about the library, you can visit its PyPI webpage, which stands for Python Package Index. It's a repository of software for the Python programming language. You can find details about the library version, its dependencies, how to install it, and more. I hope this quick video has made you aware of non-traditional automated way of drawing your CAD work and how you can use ChatGPT to assist with Python commands. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below.